This is the JISULIFE Handheld Fan Life 8 Plus, a compact, affordable fan with a built-in 45,000 mAh power bank and up to 46 hours of runtime. It's small, it's quiet, and it has a few extras that make it stand out. So let's take a closer look and see what you get. Alright, so here's the fan itself. Clean, capsule-shaped design, matte finish, and it feels nice and grippy. It's a foldable design. Blades fold inside for protection. It's got a USB-C charging port right there, so you can charge the device up. And it's got a standard USB output port for power bank use, so you can charge up your devices like your phone. And here you have your power button and speed controls. And you also get a flashlight, which is on this side. And to activate the flashlight, you press on the power button. Just hold it down until it turns on. And then just hold it down to turn off. It's a compact size, so let's weigh it and measure it. So it's around about 5.5 inches or 5.25 inches and about 13.5 centimeters, somewhere along there. So it is quite small. Weighs 178 grams. Now to operate it, you just open it on this side, just like before we showed you. And then you turn it on. So first speed is 1 click, second speed is 2nd click, third speed is 3rd click. And you can set it up like this if you want. And the beauty about it, it's got a safety feature, so when you hit it, it automatically stops. And then you can start it up again. Alright, let's do a little bit of a test now. So I'll turn down the lights a little bit so you can see what's happening. So I'm back here at, say, 21 inches. And I'll turn it on the first speed. And it's still lighting there. I think it'll go out if I put it on the 2nd speed. No, still there. How about we try for the 3rd speed? There it goes. So that's at 21 inches distance, which is not too bad. Now it's also got that power bank capability, so let's check it out. So I've got my phone. There you go. It's charging. So nice and compact, and with that safety feature, it's pretty good. And this would fit easily into your bag. For travel, it is perfect. It's got this little, it's got these little bear ears here, and a little bear nose there, and mouth. I don't know if you can see that, but anyway. So as you saw, this fan has 3 speed settings. Speed 1 runs quietly for up to 46 hours, great for light use. Speed 2 lasts around 35 hours for stronger breeze. And Speed 3 gives you full power, about 13 hours of runtime. Apparently the airflow is 30% stronger than the older version. I don't have the older version to compare, so you just have to take their word for it. So even on the lowest setting, it moves air well. Noise levels stay around 50 decibels, so it's quiet enough for work, reading, or sleeping. Now, one of the best parts about it is it doubles down as a power bank. You can charge your phone or your small gadgets straight from the fan. It's super handy if you're outdoors and you need your phone charged up. The flashlight feature is a bonus, so you just hold the button down and it'll turn on and it'll give you a nice bright white beam. Good for walking at night, power cuts, whatever low light situation you find yourself into, it'll help you out. The wrist strap makes it easy to carry. You know, you can hang it on a clip or a bag, but the thing is I can't put it on my wrist because my wrists are too big. And for the safety, the fan uses touch safe blades and has short circuit protection built in, which is fantastic. And after testing it, I feel I can say that this fan feels reliable, it's portable, strong, and the battery life is way better than most fans I've tried before in the past. I've only tried 2 little mini fans before, and that was quite a while ago. I got it 2 days ago and used it every day for extensive periods of time just to test it out. So if you need something small for travel, especially for travel, it's awesome. Work or just staying cool outdoors, the JISULIFE Handheld Fan is a solid pick. All links below. Hit the like if this helped you out and subscribe for more straight up gadget reviews. And also you might want to check this one out. And I'm out of here.